Hey guys, I'm back with another Fairfield video. So we have Noah here in the front. Looks like a prison card. Red, white, and blue, just in the nick of time, for Independence Day. So, alright, now, like I said before, you guys don't need scissors or a sword or razor, whatever you want to open them with, a knife. It's pretty simple. I know, in the first video I said, yeah, you need a knife, whatever. Alright. Looks like they've been putting all these, hold on. They've been putting all these Skybox Series 2 packs more often in these packs. So, let me see. You guys can't see them. Not yet. Yeah, see the Skybox Series 2, so it's pretty interesting. Alright, start with these. Let's see what we get. So the whole thing behind these, why I love them also, is because it's like a treasure. It's like a mystery box. You don't know what you're gonna get. Joachim Noah, like I said earlier. Cool. Looks pretty cool. Alright. Next. You can hardly tell who the hell. Why did they have to make these names so very light? I mean, I can't even see them. Antoine Walker. So, 96 drafty. We're getting a lot of bills lately. The Kings of Predrag Stojovic. I think that's the name. I forget. Jamie Feek. Then Travis Best. Pacers. And then we got a Jason Kidd. Back in his prime. Orlando Blackman. I got like freaking 10 of these, man. Come on. Robert Swerden. Yeah, Tim Hardaway. A Mookie Blaylock. This is another answer on a Jimmy Oliver. That was Antoine Walker again. This is, oh man, his name's Doc Rivers, of course. Dennis Rodman. That's odd haircut and yeah, the hair color. J.R. Reed. You got Danny Manning looking all surprised, like, oh man, taking a picture of me, what the hell? Terrell Brennan. Sean Rooks. Oh, oh my god. You get a Scott Skiles autograph card. It's tight, man. I never got one of these, especially from this team. Damn, is it numbered? It is numbered. Wow, 19 out of 49. That's crazy. Damn. That's tight. See, this is why I like these bricks. I mean, this is like the only series where I've loaded the most. I mean, from basketball, overall in general, baseball, whatever. This is the most I've loaded. This series only. Fairfield. Alright, Pistons of Tony Campbell. Next, we have a Grant Long, Joe Klein, one of these, Charles Smith, Johnny Dawkins, and Sambo. We have a feeling we're going to get a lot of these once I open up that other box. Mark Eaton, Willie Anderson, hey, Kerry Kittles, another 96 drafty, Tom Cuppa, Latrell Sprewell. That looks pretty sick. I like that. All-Star game. We got a Deathless Shrimp. Import. From Germany. Germany product. And then we got Andrew Lang. Will Purdue. One of these. And is this Brooke? Oh, no, I'm sorry. I'll say they Brooke Lopez. Felipe Lopez. I don't remember this dude, honestly. But he was an MVP, though. I hardly remember, especially from Vancouver. Wow. I'm still stoked about this card. Wow. This was a #1 hit. Alright, next is Mike Dunleavy, Don Reed, and then we have a Blue Edwards with the Jazz, a college card of Kevin Mann, Elton Brand, got a Joakim Noah, another one, rookie card. Sam Mitchell, rookie. Oops. Donald Foyle. Another rookie of Mike Conley Jr. A Tel George. Allen Houston. Derek Smith. What is this? David West. Pavlovich and Dante Jones. Some sort of a little bio on these guys. That's it. Charles Barkley, of course. Terry Catledge. Horace Grant. Soren Stars, Darius Miles, Terry Davis, Loivot, Steve Henson, Michael Williams, Anthony Bonner, and who is this here? Reggie Williams, Jerry Reynolds. This is Alden Polonies, Blair Rasmussen, Kendall Gale, Hannah Mark Macon, Willie Anderson, Joe Reed, college ball card, and we got another Charles Barkley. Sir Barkley, you're everywhere. Gerald Wallace Prestige. What happened to Gerald Wallace, man? Got a Vancouver Grizzlies of Cherokee Parks. Byron Brown. Wow, this feels real cheap, like a recycled type of material. Irvin Johnson. Allen Iverson, nice. You got an AI card, cool. By the way, guys, we'll be watching the big three. Yeah, that's totally awesome. Good to see these guys, even though they're struggling a little bit like AI. Yeah, and what about Q-Man Brown? Wow, he was a bust, but hey, he's doing some really good work. Kerry Kittles, again. Got this dude like 3 times already. But one of them was a college ball card. Richard Dumas and Scottie Pippen. So, wow. I'm really stoked about that auto card right there. I don't think I've ever had an auto like that from a break like this. And it's numbered. Alright, so that's about it. I will try to do the next video, which is going to be the Upper Deck edition. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye.